American Dream Machines opened our doors in 2003. We've sold thousands of cars all over the country and all over the world. And we've learned the hard way. We had to fix them. We bought a lot of classic cars here and had to fix a lot of problems. Classic cars can be your biggest money pit or your best investment. This is the kind of car I love to drive. Rally red paint, upgraded with an LS6, 460 horsepower beast of a motor. Under the hood, looks all stock and original. I mean, it looks as stock and original as you'd ever want it to, but this one actually has a little bit more attitude. The grills are great. The lines around the headlights are perfect. They're nice and tight. The hood lines are gorgeous. This is a bulge big block hood, not a small block car. New rims, new redline tires. It's got side exhaust. It sounds incredible. But again, the body lines on Corvettes really need to be tight and really, need to show the car's looks. Back bumpers also looks like they've been re-chromed. The taillight lenses and the taillight bezels look new. The body lines on this side are also very nice. As you can see, the door handle's not pitted. Very nice. The interior is just drop dead gorgeous. Newer leather seats. The dash and the cockpit area has really, really nice clear, crisp gauges. Even the clock is working in this thing. This is my favorite part. You gotta love that sound. You gotta love a big block Corvette. We have over 100 cars at American Dream Machines under our showroom roof, and you really need to come visit us to really enjoy the place. I remember when I was a kid, hanging down at the Loop, snuck out of the house way past my bedtime. I saw a jet black 1967 Street Beast. Red Stinger hood, red guts. That car peeled out around all four corners of that hood. All I could say is, damn. And that's why I started American Dream Machines. Welcome to American Dream Machines. Everybody wants a piece of the American dream. American Dream Machines is rock and roll and beautiful cars. It was Hendrix, Born to be Wild, and Heavy Metal Thunder. These were the designs of Harley Earl, a masterpiece grille. These are the cars that people dreamed about in the 50s, and they still dream about them today. True works of art on four wheels. Welcome to Car Heaven. The quality of our cars every year gets better and better, and this 4,000 square foot studio tells no lies. American Dream Machines was inspired by the fire-breathing big block designs of Duntop and Bill Mitchell. These were the baddest cars in 1967. It's not all about the numbers. If we can get 500, 600, 700 horsepower in one of these street beasts, it's a whole lot of fun. At American Dream Machines, we've purchased thousands of cars over the years, and we've learned the hard way. We had to fix them. Our mechanics and restoration staff here are the dream team, and they get 200 cars a year ready for our customers.
Yes, I love that.
American Dream Machines opened our doors in 2003. We've sold thousands of cars all over the country and all over the world. We have beautiful cars here, and you should own them. So you want to drive the Buick in the back? Just living the dream.